Okay, I have just washed my hair. I'm about to pat it dry, and then we're gonna blow dry brush it. Excited. I need to wash my own hair so I can install clip-ins for the weekend. In case I have some places to go, some people to see, you know? Okay, so let's get that go. Oh yeah. Hi, Dad.
Hola, ¿cómo estás?
Welcome back from work.
Hola, hola, everybody. Hola.
Hola, hola, hola.
My Curry.
Okay, so let's pat dry. I have a big t-shirt. It's clean, but you know.
Oh my god.
They say you dry them with t-shirts. Your own hair, so. Let's spray my guys, and then we'll dry.
Hello, guys.
Aww. I hope y'all are in frame. Well, y'all are now, I think.
I think I'm about to sleep, so.
It's the big giant baby in Harlem.
I can't believe he's, you know.
He don't want to be.
He's carrying the
Of
little
course
person.
not.
That's that smell I was smelling. I'm like, what is that smell? It's that hair product.
I just washed him. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Alright. The projects I take on. That's all I gotta say. I washed it with the clear hair dye. I've been seeing about that for a really long time. I've been wanting to try. So I finally got it today. And I use my silicone mix as well. Now, let's pat her dry. Okay. Pat her dry. And I'm gonna spray my heat protectant. I don't know how necessary this is for clipping.
Welcome home, Dad.
Okay.
You can have,
Okay. Did I tell you what kind I was using? Y'all know I use the Tresemme. I don't know if y'all know. I've only showed it once, but Tresemme. And I'm using my Temu brand blow dry brush. Okay. That's too high. Okay, so I just washed my hair. I'm about to blow dry it with you guys and flat iron. So let's get to it. Yes, my towel is Paw Patrol, of course. I'm gonna get my blow dry out, plug her up. Oh my gosh. Okay, what? Get my comb, my blow dryer. My heat protectant is already here. I'm gonna blow dry, flat iron, and then put my Bio Silk on. Let's get started. On high, shall we? I give that a 20 out of 10. Easiest, fastest blow dry I've ever done in my life. Yeah, it's still damp in the back. Hold on. My neck. Best $8 I've ever spent in my life. Okay, that's done. My roots are getting curly again, but it's not so bad. I need a relaxer, so it's not so bad. We're gonna plug her up. Oh, she's already plugged up, I think. I hope. She's not. Okay. Put her on. Let's take her up to 390. I'll let that heat up. Okay. Now, I'm gonna start by saying I don't know what I'm doing. Which, is that really a surprise at this point? cuts. Do I typically know what I'm doing? No. I've sectioned off my middle part sections here. I'm going to do a half up, half down, or I'm going to attempt to. I'm going to section off what would be up here. This part is down. It's fine. Now,
Okay, you mess with my phone, so we have to leave it on for 5 minutes, okay?
processing, analyzing. Here's some more rands. Do I want to do clip-ins in? Okay, wait. So I don't mix this up. I'm gonna put this portion away. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna save the little pieces for my bang. Yeah. Oh, so cute. I need another bobby pin. Now all I have to do is like edges. I need a better rubber band. I'm gonna go look for that. But in the meantime, I think this is a done deal. I didn't even need this. This wax stick is nice. Hopefully it doesn't flake up on me later on tonight. So close to I'm gonna get a better rubber band, retie my ponytail, and I'm done. I'm probably do my brows, put some cute earrings on, and a cute outfit, and we're gonna go get drinks tonight. Okay, so I did my brows, I did my edges, I fixed the ponytail. I have like, you can see it really good on this video, of course, but it's tighter than the little rubber ones I was using. Wish it was black, but can't do nothing about it. I did do my edges. It looks like they're gonna melt in just a few minutes. That's why I only did a little bit. And I just did a little in the corners. Yeah, I think it looks good though. What do y'all think? Like, I'm really, really pleased with the turnout for sure. I think giving it a little curl, like just a little light curl, I think really like formed it up. I need to get some earrings. I'm gonna put on some like flare low waist, low red jeans, super cute crop top. You know, I love a crop top, so that's what I'll do. I'll probably put on some hoops and go like that. No lashes, no lipstick, no makeup, just, you know. Yeah, I think this is cute. What do y'all think? You know, amazing. Anyway, thank you guys for tuning in. Tell me what you think in the comments. Bye.